Alright, listen up. Just because you make a boatload of cash in a single trade does not make you an ultimate trader. I mean, think about it. Someone that makes only a few $100 per trade might be better than someone making over $10,000 per trade. But how does that make sense? It's not about the numbers at all. Well, not those numbers. Now let's go into the reason how someone could actually stand out as a trader and be better than someone else. And understanding this could be crucial to your trading. Now, let's go into the first thing that makes me look at a trader a little bit differently, makes them stand out as a trader. Now, let's picture this. You've got two traders. One that risks $1,000 to make $1,000, and the other trader that risks $100 to make $1,000. They both made the same amount of money, and they're both gonna post on Twitter the same exact amount. But why are they both different? Well, it's all about risk to reward. You want to risk as little as possible to make as much money as possible. Now, if you take it from me, my risk to reward is that 1 to 2.5 to 3 risk to reward, which means every time I risk $100, I'm gonna make anywhere from $250 to $300, and obviously you can scale that up. I could post $1,000, but my risk was way less than someone risking 1-to-1 risk to reward. So who's a better trader in that instance? The one person that's risking less to make more. But you could risk less to make more and still be a worse trader. Now this leads me to my second thing, is win rate. You think it's all about hitting those 1 to 10 risk rewards, 1 to 5 risk rewards, making $1,000 off $100. But how consistently can you be with that 1 to 2 risk reward, 1 to 3 risk reward, 1 to 5 risk reward? That's what also really matters, them two together. You could have a 90% win rate and a 1 to 3 risk to reward, or you could have a 40% win rate and have a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Who is a better trader in that instance? The person that has a 90% win rate with the 1 to 3 risk to reward. Currently, my win rate is 87% for 2024. Now combine that with my 1 to 2.5, 1 to 3 risk to reward, you got your recipe for someone that could stand out as a trader. It's not as easy to have an 80% win rate with a 1 to 3 risk to reward as it is with a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Now, someone that has a 44% win rate but a 1 to 3 risk to reward, they're still gonna be profitable. Take that versus someone that has an 87% win rate and a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Who is gonna be more profitable with the same exact position size? You guessed it, the guy that has an 87% win rate with a 1 to 3 risk to reward. This is also a psychological game. Having a 40% win rate will just start to eat at you if you're losing back to back to back to back. But all this 87% win rate, 1 to 3 risk to reward, that's all cool and everything like that. But what about those people that get super emotional even though they're profitable? I'm talking about the people that average down. I'm talking about the people that do lottery trades, high risk trades. They don't trade properly. We gotta trade like a robot. We understand that we have emotions, but it's about how you handle those emotions during the trade that really impact you. Everyone's gonna have emotions, but you recognize those emotions and you don't act on them. And you can't really gauge a trader on how emotional they are by words that they typed after the trade happens. You have to watch them live, which is what I do every single morning at 9:30 a.m. on Discord. And every single time, you'll never hear me say average down, moving my stop loss down, right? I'll move it up as the trade's coming up, but I'll never move it down past where I wanted to stop out at originally. And I'll never say high risk trade. Every single trade that I get into is gonna be the same exact position size. I'm not less confident and I'm not more confident in a trade. I'm always as confident as I need to be in a trade to where it matches my plan. I only take the best and leave the rest. And emotions have no place in trading. You have to follow your plan to a T. No room for second guessing, no emotional roller coasters, no averaging down, no lottery trades, no high risk trades. Oh, I'm not as confident, so I'm gonna size down. No, you have to stay logical, confident, and let your plan do all of the talking. So there you have it. Those are the top 3 things, how I judge a trader and how you can become a better trader by using those 3 things to increase your win rate, increase your risk to reward, and also make sure that your emotions are not there. Master these and you'll start to become the top of the top traders in this industry. You gotta remember that you're always a student to the market and you gotta keep progressing. You can't get too comfortable. Enjoy this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.